The Messi Goat event concluded a while back, an event which saw Lionel Messi, arguably the greatest athlete of our time, spend a very important 1 hour here at the Wankhede Stadium. More importantly, he met Sunil Chhetri, he met the god of cricket Sachin Tendulkar, and spent time with a lot of young players who had come from different parts of the state. Here you can hear the josh, the passion of the people, of the fans who experience something extraordinary is still high on energy. They'd come with flags, they'd come with jerseys of Barcelona, jerseys of Argentina. Fans of all the ages were here to celebrate and to take part in what was a historic moment of their lifetime. Let us now try and talk to them about what they feel. One second. How, as a fan, were you satisfied with the event today?
Definitely. It was a great show, and the Messi's appearance made it a really excellent and really terrific.
How did you like the show? Are you a Messi fan?
Yeah, I'm a Messi and Ronaldo fan. But the best part was when Sunil Chhetri shake hands with Messi. That's the most aura part about it.
That's lovely. You tell me, young fan, how did you like today's show? Were you looking forward to seeing Messi?
Very good.
There.
I liked it a lot. But he didn't kick the ball to our.
He should have kicked the ball right to you. All right. Hold on. We saw that people turned up in large numbers. There were a lot of expectations after what happened in Calcutta yesterday, in Hyderabad. As I asked him, were you satisfied with what you got?
Yes, I'm very satisfied. I'm very blessed to see the GOAT, Messi! Lionel Messi is the GOAT!
You see, passion of all of these football fans is right on the top. Of course, there are more fans who are here. You tell me, there were players, there were cricketers. How important was the moment when you saw Sachin Tendulkar and Lionel Messi share the stage?
Actually, it was the moment we are waiting for, because we know Sachin is the GOAT of the cricket and Messi is the GOAT of the football. So this is the moment we are waiting for, and I am a huge Messi fan. So I am eagerly waiting for this moment. And yes, it was a very emotional moment for us because we get the chance to we get a glimpse of Messi.
Okay.
We love Messi.
Okay. You tell me. We saw Sunil Chhetri and Messi meet, an Indian legend and an international legend. How was that for you as a fan?
Those two are the goats. One is the goat of India and one is the goat of Argentina. Seeing the both of the goats in Wankhede Stadium was an amazing experience, and I loved every bit of it. Leo Messi, I fucking love you.
Finally, you tell me. We also saw that the crowd booed at the politicians when they came. So did you see this? Did you experience that?
I experienced that, but I was more focused towards Messi because Messi is the player who we have come to see. So it is the GOAT moment for our life.
Okay.
3 GOATs at one place. Messi, Tendulkar and Sunil Chhetri.
Alright, you've got more young fans. You seem to be a very passionate young fan. Tell me about your experience.
Messi is my GOAT. I've been a die-hard Messi fan ever since his Barcelona days. Lastly, I would say, Viva el Barça, Viva el Catalunya!
Alright, you come here, young fan. Where are you from? What's your name?
My name is Kahan,
Where are you from?
Mumbai.
You saw Messi for the first time.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
You've been following football for how long?
I've been playing football since about 9 years.
9 years.
Yeah.